we've been looking at making short-term decisions where there is uncertainty about the outcome. But what if the business could get further information that would remove this uncertainty? Businesses would be prepared to pay for this new knowledge, this removal of uncertainty. So with perfect information, the business would always make the right decision from a financial point of view. That doesn't mean that where we have imperfect information, it's not useful. That will always help us and guide us through decision making. But if we knew exactly which was the right decision, then we'd be much more equipped to deal with our business decision making process. So we can calculate the value of the perfect information. We can calculate how much we'd be prepared to pay somebody to remove any uncertainty associated with the decision. And that could be by market research, it could be by removing some obstacles in the way, but we could know exactly which is going to be our right course of action. The first thing we do is we calculate the expected value as normal, given our uncertainty. And then secondly, we calculate the expected value based on the best decision. Then finally, the value of perfect information is the difference between the two. So the first thing we're going to do when we look at an example with step 1 is we're going to calculate the expected value of our two options. In this example, we've got option A and we've got option B. So if we start with option A, we take the various profitability, 4,000 times 0.2, and then we've got 1,200 times 0.3, and a loss of £1,000 times 0.5. If we calculate those figures, we'll end up with an expected value of £660. We do the same for option B, 1,200 times 0.2, 1,000 times 0.3, and 500 times 0.5, and those will give us an expected value of 850. So given our uncertainty, the highest expected value, we would choose option B. So the decision to be made based on the above information would be that we would select option B. Second part of the question is asking what would be the value of perfect information about demand. Okay, so we actually look what's going to happen in all cases of demand if we had perfect information. So if we've got weak demand, we would select option B, and that will give us a profit of £500. If we've got moderate demand, and we knew that was going to happen, we would choose option A with profit of £1,200. And with strong demand, we would choose option A with a profit of £4,000. We can work out the expected value of these happening. And that will give us an expected value We work that out, £1,410. So given perfect information, we would know exactly what to do in each circumstances, and we would actually have on average, we would earn a profit of £1,400. So the value of perfect information is 1,410 minus 850, which comes to £560.